Okay, my beautiful friends, my beautiful, beautiful friends. We're together again at last. It's Monday. It's time to get to work here. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Nothing is going to get in our way. And I mean that from every angle you want to look at. We have this covered. I want to talk a little more about that. So yeah, it's Monday, August 24th. 2020. As I am doing this video blog, stock futures are higher across the board. As a matter of fact, it looks like we're going to hit new records, at least at the open. And again, the market is prime right now. It has been primed to continue its record run higher as the economy melts down around us. No surprise to you. You've known this for the longest time. The market is caught in some kind of euphoric state for several reasons. Fear of missing out, irrational exuberance. Wall Street, look, I don't care what side of the aisle you are on. You got to get in the right spot. There was just an article this morning, CNBC. So it's not just Greg Mannarino saying this anymore. Although I was the first, again, you got to give credit where credit's due. Wall Street is pricing in a Biden win, and that's why stocks are going up. It doesn't mean that President Trump is going to 100% lose. For you people that are going to get triggered, you can't help yourselves. It's unbelievable. It's like a disease. President Trump, in order to win right now, needs to deliver a big, fat gift to Wall Street. It's that simple. Biden is going to give the biggest gift to Wall Street on the face of the earth. It doesn't matter what happens to the American people. They're going to get hit with more taxes. There's no doubt about that. But Wall Street only cares about one thing, and that is debt. And Biden will issue in a new debt paradigm like you have no idea. It should be very easy to see this. And Wall Street's going to spray their shorts all over the place. So, President Trump, he can come up here. He just needs to do something really big for Wall Street. Look, the president failed to deliver on a U.S.-China trade deal in a massive way. Not just for Wall Street. This was for the American people, and I'll give credit where credit's due. At least the president tried. He failed abysmally, and he continues to threaten China. He did it again over the weekend where he's saying, okay, I might decouple from China. Again, China doesn't buy it. The Wall Street don't buy it. The man's all talk. If he were going to do something, he would have done it already. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. Obviously, the stock market's not buying it right now. Stock futures, again, pointing towards a record high open. Let's move forward here. You got crypto catching a bid, gold catching a bid, silver catching a bid, crude oil catching a bid, and the dollar is getting hit again. 10-year yield 0.639. So that's the situation. It's that simple. It's straightforward. And me and my lions, all of us, we are on the right side of this market. If you are in even half of the positions I have posted in my free newsletter, there is a link in the description of this video, well, you're going to rip this market's face off today. You're going to rip it completely off. And we're going to continue doing that. I mean, honestly, we have outperformed, me and my lions out here. We've outperformed most Wall Street hedge funds this year. It's been an epic year. And it's not going to stop. It's not going to stop if the market remains on its current trajectory. That is number one, pricing in a Biden win. If this continues, unless Trump offers Wall Street some kind of big gift, the market will continue higher until the elections. Then we're going to get a big, fat sell-off. I've explained this to you. Look, we got to look ahead here. All right. I don't care who wins. You know that. I know a lot of people are going to get triggered here, and that's fine. I will laugh. It's all conversation. Who's going to win? You guys and girls can sit here and argue until you're blue in the face. It's all conversation. What matters is the markets. Okay, you want me to prove it to you yet again? We're in economic collapse, and the market keeps going up. All right. There's all the proof you need. It's in your face. So if you're going to get triggered, good. Good for you. Anyway, just stay on the right side of this market. That's all that really matters here, okay? And it's pretty simple to understand what's going on here, all right? And again, now it's not just Greg Mannarino saying it. It's not the Wall Street banks who have been kind of keeping their mouths shut. But I told all of you, again, I know all these people at the Wall Street banks, and I feed you the information that I hear. And that's it. Of course, it was way ahead of the curve, and now everyone's starting to understand it. And why? It's so simple to understand why Wall Street wants Biden. But again, don't count Trump out here. Not because he's the greatest guy in the world or anything like that. But again, it's all about debt issuance. It's not about the economy. It's not about the people. It's about epic debt. And that's the way it's going to go here. Is it good for our country? Absolutely not. It's terrible for our country. More debt under Biden is going to be a curse. Of course, we'll get this more debt under President Trump, just like we've had his entire tenure here. It's exploded. We're doing the equivalent of a TARP program every single day under President Trump. That's not good for America. The weaker dollar is not good for America, but as stock traders, what do we want to see? We want to see the dollar get hit. There's always this, look, there's a duality to this, and I think you understand that. And my job here is simply to sit back here and go through these concepts for all of us so we know what to do. Again, look, we're in the right spots. Every single spot we are in is correct right now. That is precious metals, gold, silver. I'm going to tell you something about silver real quick. Silver again, and I said this I think last week, will at one point outperform gold like you have no idea. I said that in an interview I did last week. Anyway, gold's going much higher. Crypto's going much higher. Dollar's going much lower as it's being destroyed by design. New dollar getting ready to roll out here. That's just the way it's going to go, people. Until when? Until it doesn't. That's all. I don't give a damn about anything else, and neither should you. You know why? Because as a trader, okay, we are trading the market we have. Period. Do we have to look ahead a little bit? Absolutely, we have to look ahead a little bit. But we're trading the market we have. We have to keep in mind what dynamics are in play. But it's actually a lot easier if you're a stacker or if you're an investor in cryptocurrency. You just keep buying this stuff. You just keep buying. As a trader, we got to zigzag our way in and out of this. And that's exactly what we've been doing. It's pretty damn epic. All right, look, I'm out of here. Please share the video. I think this has been informative. Get it out there. Love you a lot, and I will see you later.